Hi everyone and welcome back to HomeHeadChef. Today we're going to be making creamy risotto. Risotto is a creamy Italian rice dish that can be served as an appetizer or alongside of a protein or anything else that you like. And today I'm going to be showing you how to make it. So let's step up to the cutting board and see what we need. For this recipe we are going to need about 5 cups of chicken stock, some olive oil, half of an onion diced, 1.5 cups of arborio rice, salt and pepper to taste, 1 cup of Parmesan cheese, 1/8 cup of white wine, and 1 tablespoon of garlic. Now we're gonna get started on a risotto. The first thing we wanna do is heat up our chicken stock on a burner. We want this at a simmer, not a boil. We're just gonna let that stay there. Now we're gonna saute up our onions until they're translucent. And once they become translucent, we're gonna go in with our garlic and we're gonna saute this up for about another minute. Now we're gonna go in with our rice. We're just gonna toast this for just a couple seconds. Then we're gonna go in with our white wine. Give it a stir. Now we're gonna slowly add in a ladle of chicken stock. We're just going to keep adding a ladle at a time and stir until it's absorbed. Then we're going to add in another ladle. Now we're going to constantly want to stir this. Now that the rice has absorbed some of the chicken stock, we're going to go in a little bit more. We're going to keep doing this for about 20 minutes or so. It's a little bit of a workout, or until the rice becomes al dente. You just keep adding your chicken stock and stirring until it's al dente. It's a labor of love, but it's totally worth it. Now let's get a taste and see where it's at. Perfect. Now we're gonna go in with our Parmesan cheese. We're gonna get this mixed in. And get another taste. And just adjust our seasoning. Let's see. A little bit of salt and pepper. Let's head back to the cutting board and plate this up. Now to plate this up, we're going to take some of our risotto. We're going to go dead center of our plate. And doesn't that look nice? That looks like a good portion. We're gonna top it with a little bit of shaved Parmesan cheese, just like that. Isn't that beautiful? Let's pan out and get a taste of this. All right, let's dig in. It's rich, it's creamy. You get a taste of the parm, you get a hint of the white wine, the chicken stock. It's really good. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. If so, hit that like button. Thanks for liking, commenting, and subscribing, and we'll see you next time.